Come here, everybody. So I'm starting to do a Christmas vlog. This edition is going to be for my lollipops that's going outside. So I had my old cardboard laying around that I wanted to use this year for Christmas. And I got my 9-inch plate, drew some good perfect circles. I didn't even give it any thought on how I wanted to design each one. I had it in my mind that I just wanted to look Grinch themed, Whoville theme, things like that. So these are just little small designs that I did on each circle. Because I know the gold in gold is to add clear plastic to it and a bow to make it look like an actual lollipop on a stand. And I just wanted to adhere to the weather. So we're just going to paint it a little bit. Again, nothing too fancy, just some squiggly lines, circle lines. Make it look like candy a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I found these sticks at Hobby Lobby and they were about $1 or so, and I needed them to be long enough to adhere to the circles, to the cardboard circles. And then I just added some adhesive tape, some regular 3M tape. And from here is where I'm going to add my plastic wrapping to make it look like a lollipop. And just I grab it all around, twist it all around, grab my little zip tie thing here and twist it real good. Tape down the back so any loose ends won't fly away. And then from there, I'm just going to get my bow. The bows are like red, green. This one has Merry Christmas on it. So that's pretty much the theme that I'm going to go with. And then from there, we're just going to walk outside and we're going to place them in the ground. I have my little helper here who's going to walk with me outside so we can start placing these in the ground all along the edge of our yard. So yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like, guys. I got a lot more work to do. I have no idea why I put myself in such like loads of work to get the yard together for Christmas, but I love it. That's just the end result of it. I love decorating for Christmas, inside and out. This is just the outside, child. I ain't even get the inside together yet. But give me about a week. I should have it together. So this is the beginning of our organized chaos, which is like what Grinch is, organized chaos, you know. I love it. I like it. Keep following me as I continue to create for this Christmas. I think my next step is to get the porch together even more. But this is more or less what it looks like thus far. Keep following all my work as I'm creating Christmas ideas. Peace.